Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh episode of Crypto Milad. Today is 30 October, and we're gonna have a good, fresh look of the Bitcoin price because the Bitcoin price, like you know, it broke out. It's doing great. So we're gonna dive in that, and also we're gonna take a look at Hoppy, and we're gonna take a look at Speedy. These two coins we're gonna analyze. Let's see what they are doing. Let's see what our favorite son Hoppy is doing because we're gonna make a good analysis of Hoppy, see where it goes. So it will be an excited episode, guys. Welcome, and let's go and dive into the Bitcoin charts, guys, because that's right now the most important. The Bitcoin charts, guys, it looks very good. It looks very good until now because, like you guys know, yesterday we broke from the 70K, so where we broke the previous high. What is very important because that was the last thing what we should break because we already broke from this downward sloping channel. What you guys remember, and then the only thing what I thought what is left is just this in the structure is just this lower high what we had since 3 March 2024. So we just needed to break it, and we broke it. And how we broke it, guys? We broke it with so fast with the bulls that the bears were not nowhere anymore, guys. They were they were lost. So that was great to see, guys. It was very excited day yesterday, and today actually it's also a very excited day. Actually, guys, we can this downward sloping channel. Let's just delete it because it's not serving us anymore, guys. It's happened. We was 6 months inside this downward sloping channel. I think it's a good moment today, 30 October, to forget about this boring downward sloping channel where we are 6 months in. So we say bye bye to this downward sloping channel. We delete it. So the line what's now important, guys, is this trend line, what you see here, this support line, what's going definitely up. So this maybe serves for the future that we find some support at these points. I think for now it will not find support at this week or the next week or the week after at this line. I think if it happened, it takes some time before it's higher, and maybe that we go to the 100K, and in that time the support line is around 80K, 85K. Maybe we come until 100K and we bounce back to 85K and to this line, support line, and from there we go up again. That's a possibility, but let's don't dive too much in the future. For now, we're just going up, and it looks all fantastic, guys, because we broke, guys, something yesterday. We just was $200 away from the all-time high, and guys, everybody talk the all-time high will be broken. I'll talk. I had a little bit talks that we don't reach it because everybody expected the moment that we're gonna break it yesterday. So I thought probably it's gonna make a pullback from there because a lot of big hands they think okay, this is the moment that everybody think it will break. So let's push it a little bit back. But now it looks all good, guys. It's was not a pullback what you can say wow what a pullback, it's a crash or something. It's just a little pullback, guys. Sorry, guys, a sip of the coffee. So the weekly chart looks good, and the most bullish thing on the weekly chart, guys, is this MACD for me. Like the bullish thing is, of course, that we broke the previous high, and we almost gonna have to close in 4 days, the highest close ever, because we never had the highest high, such a high close. The highest close for Bitcoin was at 69K 800. Let's say 70K. So what made me very bullish, guys, that this MACD, it looks like it doesn't go back again anymore. This looks like we go up from here and a lot up, guys. It looks very good after many weeks because after 29, let's say end April, we didn't saw anymore a green candle here in the MACD, and we see already three, guys, and that's already very, very bullish. With the first one, you could already put the probability a lot higher that we can expect some prices and more, because the time wise, because we were almost in the Q4, guys, and the first month of the Q4, it disappointed us a little bit, but we expected it also that it will not go too much higher because of the election, because of other things in the market. So now November and December, it should be really, really good months, guys. The perfect thing is that all this four EMAs they pulling upsides, Bitcoin is far above it, guys. It looks all so great. It looks all so fantastic. In a perfect world, Bitcoin goes to 100K before we reach 2025, guys. That's my opinion in this thing. Not financial advice, guys. Nothing in this channel is financial advice. It's just my opinion. But with 11 years experience, guys, a lot of times that I see things, that I think things, a lot of times it comes true, and that's why I also love trading. And I'm a trader, guys. I'm a full-time trader, so like it's not only my work, it's my life. Like you guys know, I watch the Bitcoin price maybe 100 times, 100 times in a day. So then you know what the level of addiction is. So guys, enough about the weekly. Let's go to the everything's good, looks good, guy, in the weekly. Nothing to worry about. Everything looks very sunny. No clouds, not even clouds in the far in the if you zoom in, there is not even a cloud in the weekly. So the 4 day, guys, the 4 days also looks great. The 4 days, I can also say the same as the daily. The only thing what we have in the 4 day, what can give us a confirmation is it's the highest body close of the history of Bitcoin, guys, because the highest body close of Bitcoin was here, and it was exactly at 71,585. It was the highest body close of Bitcoin. And we are now, guys, we are now above this price, because we are now almost $1,000 above the price of the body candle. So if in 12 hours, guys, so by tonight, in 12 hours and 50 minutes, if we can have a close body candle close above 71K 500, let's say 600, so that's 400, let's say $600 from here. If we can hold this price, if we don't go back 600, it means we have the highest body close, the highest close candle of the Bitcoin history, guys. And that's great, great, great news, guys. That means more bullish confirmation, more bullish probabilities. The CMF, it looks, the cash money flow, it looks very good, higher high. The RSI looks good, and the MACD looks great, guys. So also very sunny in the 4 hour for Bitcoin, guys. I cannot say nothing bearish, and I also don't want to say nothing bearish, guys. In the end, I want to see it all positive, and I want to Bitcoin go as high as possible, because that's also good, of course, for the meme coins. In the daily, guys, I could draw a one resistance line, what you see, the red line, what I draw here. That's one. And you saw that we really found support exactly at this price, guys, exactly at this 30, like, yeah, 200 under the all-time high. So it was 73,600 where we found support, and it's exactly at this resistance line, which is the red line what we now draw in. So this is now the most updated line what we can use, and this green line what you see here, guys, this is the green support. That is the support line which you can draw from here. That's from 10 October, the candle of 10 October, and then we found some support here. So if we get a pullback, I don't say that we get a pullback, but if we get a pullback, then we have some support at exactly at this point, and that's around 70K, guys. If we can keep 70K, guys, as now a new support point, that is very, very bullish, because it means the highest thing what we can reach is the 70K, and from the 70K we bounce up again. For example, if something crazy happened these days, I think we found good support at 70K, because the support line, it's now the daily support line, it's at this point of 70K. And when we reach maybe that point, maybe the 20 EMA, it's also exactly at this point. So then we have double support, guys, double confirmation for support. And that sounds very good. But the probability is also that we don't go at this moment to find support at 70K. It's also possible that we just bounce up and we go further up. We should see that in the upcoming days, because we are now in a moment that it's really hard to exactly say what's going to happen. But at least we have some points what we can look at. One is this resistance line, and one is the support line here, and of course we have the moving averages. So let's see if the 20 EMA and this line will hold at the daily. That will be very nice. The volume looks very good, guys. Like it's higher, it goes. If you draw a line here, it go higher and higher. So higher volume each day. That's very good. Like in the 4 hour, you can also use this as support, and this as support, the green line, and this is resistance, the red line. The CMF, the cash money flow, it goes a little bit down, but it's nothing so much to worry about. The RSI was a little bit overbought. It was reaching 85. So you could expect some little pullback from here. So the worst pullback, guys, I think if we reach a pullback, maybe we reach around this line, around 70 and up 69K. I think that's the worst case. And maybe if we are stronger, we just stay at this support from 70, from the 20 EMA at the 4 hour, and that's around 70,500. That's even better support. So guys, Bitcoin looks good. Maybe we will have a little pullback, but in generally it looks super good. It looks super strong. So I wouldn't really be worried about the Bitcoin price. I think we really finally broke the 70K, and I think we will stay above the 70K, guys. I think we will find higher prices. So let's now go to our favorite frog, Hoppy, guys, because Hoppy is a coin that's doing great, guys. Because 2 days ago, guys, Hoppy was at going down, and Hoppy was at the level that we talk. Maybe it go more down, and I told you guys I buy a little bit more bags exactly at this point at the 302. So I talk, okay, if it holds, it's fine. If it doesn't hold, I buy even a little bit more if it goes down. But it holds, and from there we even broke this resistance line. So we are almost back in this. We're almost back in this zone. What we earlier were in, where we broke under, and then we had a little problem that I told you guys. We have a one candle close under it, so maybe we can go a little bit more down. And it happened, but it was not so much from that point. It was like, let's say a little 20%, around 20% from here to there. Let's check how much it was. Yeah, it was like 18%, around 20. And from there, guys, we bounced up again. And let's see if we can this time go inside the zone again and break the highs, guys, because the all-time high is at 0.00031. That was the all-time high at Maxi. Maybe in other places it was a little bit lower. So It looks so good, guys, because when a coin it's near his all-time high and you see it going up again, and like now we are in the second month of the Q4, guys. We are almost in November. Tomorrow is 31, yeah, correct. And after tomorrow, guys, it's 1 November, and we are at the second month of the Q4, and I think that's the moment that we just will see some great higher prices. And I'm very glad that I'm in Hoppy because Hoppy really is one of the coins that it's really holding strong in anything, guys. Like even the last week when all the meme coins went a lot down, still Hoppy didn't went so much down. It hold quite good. And guys, like what you see in Hoppy in the daily, the 20 EMA, the yellow line, it's really quite respected in the Hoppy charts. Like you see here, it holds like you see it here. It holds here strong. It holds again strong. Like okay, we had a little dip down, but it was the body didn't close under it. And when the body don't close under a EMA, that's just good, guys. That's the this wick doesn't count. Like the body hold above and we went directly up. So and it's going up and up, guys. This EMA, this moving averages with Hoppy. I really think Hoppy gonna give us so good gains, guys. I'm really happy that I'm in Hoppy. I will make more videos about Hoppy because Hoppy doesn't disappoint us. Hoppy, it's a strong community. It's a strong group. Everything in Hoppy is just so positive, and the vibes is so positive that I can almost not see that this coin it's going down in this bull market, guys. I think when Bitcoin reach 100K, I think this Hoppy will make a couple, like at least 3, 4, 500% from here, guys. Because like you see, it's already going up here in look here, Hoppy. The last week it was at 365, 67. Now we are already 30 places up in the coin market cap, guys. This coin have Hoppy have big plans. Hoppy want to go in the top 100, and I think they will reach the top 100 before we see the 2025. I think this year, the last 2 months of 2024, I think Hoppy will come in the top 100, guys. A couple days ago, it was at 80 million, 85 million market cap. It's already again at 114 million. I think soon we will see Hoppy at 200 million market cap, guys. I think it can happen so fast because this is just a really a good coin, guys. I'm so proud of Hoppy. And it's really a compound effect, Hoppy. Like with a little thing, you can make a big thing. And I think Hoppy will be a famous frog, guys. Hoppy, the famous frog of our team, because we are in the team. We are the Hoppy crew, guys. We are the Hoppy Bulls. We all help Hoppy going up. We do it with investments. We do it with videos. We do it with announcements. We're doing with sharing the videos. This all, guys, it's looks super bullish for me. Hoppy it's what one of my most strongest coins, and I have a heavy back in Hoppy, guys, so I'm very happy. Let's see what Hoppy do in the upcoming days and the weeks, because I'm gonna cover Hoppy a lot, guys, in this channel. If you are a Hoppy fan, if you are a Hoppy fan, Hoppy investor, or even if you are a meme coin investor, make sure that you subscribe in this channel. Make sure also that you share this with friends and with family, because I will announce a lot of surprises, new coins. Maybe it serves you. It's not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but maybe it's always good to have somebody else second opinion or just some information what can serve you, what yourself always can do some investigation and research. So that's how the meme market work, guys. Sometimes I also listen to other people that find some coin, maybe some subscribers, they send me a comment about coins. I will check this. I will research it. I will never put it in the video without research, guys. I always research a coin. I see what are the contract details of the coin, who is behind the coin, where is it, in which exchange is it. I will check this all to make it so like the win probability need always be bigger than the lose probability, guys. That's very important in this trading journey, because if you don't have the good edge, then you can better go to the to maybe to the casino. That's easier. Just we are not from the casino, guys. We have always the edge. We have always a plan that it's better, that we are more that the probability is higher that we're gonna win than lose. And that's my journey, guys. That's how I trade, because I don't gonna give my money easy away to other big hands or other people, because like my money is worth my money. I worked hard for it, and I think you guys did the same. So let's try to help each other in this channel, guys, and always work hard and do good like do good investigation, good research. Try to learn about the things what you do, and it will always be good, guys. Be constant in the things what you do. Don't be a gambler. That's not what I recommend in this scene, in this trading, because the trading, guys, you know, the trading market, it's a jungle, guys. There is a lot of smart people inside. So you should outperform the market, so you should be smarter than the market. And that's not always learning how you should do the indicators. It's also like a person. You need to be a strong person. You need not have the character like that you are FOMOing in things, that you are greedy, that you are like you don't have patience. This is exactly the characters what you cannot have as a trader. You should be very like never hungry, never show your emotions, be relaxed, think good, always think good before you make actions, guys, because like you should be like this in life, and you should be like this in the trading. Like if you want to be somebody, I think in this life you should definitely have these characters. Otherwise you always fall out the boat, or you make decisions which you don't want to make, because one bad decision, guys, it can bring you so much down. Like if you fall from the from the 12th floor 12 in a department, you will never can tell it again, or you break all your legs. Like if you fall from the first floor, you can always go again and try again. That's why I say the stop loss is also very important. Like sometimes you need to know when you take your losses, guys. Don't forget that, please, because otherwise you really in this market you really can lose fast, guys, and that's not like it. Now is the moment that you cannot lose. Like now is the moment everybody wins, but there comes harder moments, like when you need to know, okay, now I need to go outside the market. Now it's the time to take some profit, and this kind of things, guys, I'm gonna announce it in the because all the moves I will make in my trading, I will share it in this channel. So maybe it serves you in some way. You can always check it, and it's always good. Like I said, it's always good having a second opinion. So guys, Hoppy, it looks fantastic. Hoppy, just I hold my bags. I don't gonna sell it, and for now it's looking great. I think we're gonna make lot more higher prices for Hoppy. Let's go take a fast look at Speedy. Speedy, what I yesterday, what I was not so happy about Speedy, because it showed so weakness yesterday when Bitcoin was rising, and that was normally not a good sign. But what happened? I told you yesterday, guys, we should break this line which you see here, this resistance line, the white line which you see here. We should break it, and you see here this wick. We went up, and then we went more up. Almost it looks like that some people they heard about this what I told, because it's really exactly it went with the wick up, and now we are up, and it looks really good at this moment because we broke this line. So what we did is we broke this line, was very good. So we from here I don't think we're gonna go again under this line. Normally it should not happen in a healthy coin, in a healthy project. It should not happen that you break the residence line and then you go again under it, because that's like a rocket what's going up, and after a couple kilometers it's go down again, and that's normally not good. Like if a rocket launch, guys, it should go to the sky. So the next support, the next resident what we have, guys, it's at 3.2 cents, 3.3 cents, 0.33 cents. So not 33 cents, but 3 cents. So 0.033. So this is the next support. If we break this line and we break this line of 3.7 and we come again to retest the highs here at 4 cents, then if we break the high, I think we go a lot higher if we break the previous high here. So let's see if we can break this point, like 0.33 and 0.37. There is the turbulence. There is the bears want to take control there again. But let's see if we can break above it. And then after that, guys, it looks very, very good also for Speedy. So okay, I think that's also enough for Speedy. We are above also all the moving averages at 4 hour. That's also looking good. Let's hope Bitcoin shows some strength, guys, today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm here with a new episode. We're gonna, if there is something new, we're gonna announce it. If there is nothing new, we're gonna find something new. Because in this channel, guys, we always try to make some surprises and we cover things what serves for the subscribers, guys. It's all for free. It's all made with love. So I wish you all a great day. I hope you enjoy your day and keep the bags good. Hopefully, we get some good profits this last 2 months of the Q4. And I wish you all a fantastic day, guys. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Thank you for watching and bye bye.